Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel kind of weird not holding the camera with like nothing in my hands. So today I'm doing my Greece packing list. So I'm going to take you through everything that I'm going to be bringing with me. I'm only taking a carry-on suitcase, so that's going to be a bit more difficult. But I kind of am trying to streamline everything and organize my outfits before I go so I don't have to worry about anything there. So yeah, I'll do kind of like a little try on. I will show you what I'm bringing, and then on my blog post, which I will link in the description box, I will have all of the packing items like out on a list. So you guys can download it or whatever you want. I'm going to be bringing 5 dresses just because they're the easiest outfits. We're going for 2.5 weeks. We're going to a few different islands. We're going to 4 different places in total. And I want to make sure that I have lots of stuff to wear, and a dress is just the easiest thing to throw on. So this is the first one. It's by Love Shack Fancy. So it's a mini dress. It's got kind of a lot of volume up here, but it's really comfortable. I'll be able to eat a lot in it without having to worry about that. And it will go really well with all of the shoes that I'm bringing. So let me show you guys those. So these are the only shoes that I'm bringing. I've got my runners, which I'm going to wear on the plane. Those are Nike Blazers. These slides are from Zara. Just some basic flip-flops that can get wet. And then these are my Madewell lace-up gladiator sandals, even though I feel like I might buy a pair there. I'll just slip these on, show you what it looks like. I'm not going to be taking any heels. I just don't think that I'll wear them. Like, I want to be comfortable on vacation, and we're going to be walking around a lot, and I don't want to trip and fall because obviously I would. So I'm literally only taking flats. Okay, this is another dress that I just wanted to show you. It is Norma Kamali, and it's just a really comfortable kind of tank dress. It has pockets, which is great, and it's perfect for just walking around, exploring cities, and etc., etc. I'm also bringing this opening ceremony fanny pack. So it's actually mesh, so you can kind of see what's inside. But I really wanted something that I could wear on my body that was cute and that I could take pictures and not have to worry about holding anything. So you can wear it kind of like this or like that. This was actually only 75 bucks at Shopbop, so pretty cute. So this is just a really good walking around outfit. It's like quite sporty. I've paired it with my Nike Blazers, which are super comfy. I like the pop of red, and this is good because it's like right in front of me, so nobody can take anything and leaves my hands free. So I'm going to be taking 3 bags. This opening ceremony fanny pack. I'm going to take this cute little leather bag from French brand Pollen. It's small and you just carry it on your wrist. I feel like it's perfect for Greece. And then I'm also going to bring this basket bag, which is from a local Vancouver designer. Just like a really good crossbody bag. And then a backpack for the plane. This is one other dress that I'm bringing. This is Ronnie Kobo. This is what it looks like. Pretty tight. Hopefully it will hide any food babies that I have. Although it kind of looks like I have one right now. So for tops, I'm bringing 5 tops as well. Some are crop tops, some are long sleeved because we're going in September and the weather is really nice, but I think it can cool down a lot in the evenings. One of my best friends is Italian, and she said that it can get really, really cold in the evenings in Europe. So anyways, this is a crop top from Ronnie Kobo, and it's just a knit top. Super, super comfy, and I've paired it with these A. Goldie jean shorts. So A. Goldie is one of my favorite jean designers right now, and these are nice and high-waisted, but they're not too short in the bum, which I really like. Don't want to be showing off my bum cheeks. No, thank you. and they're really, really comfortable. You can pair it with this cute little pollen bag. So cute. Okay, this is one other top that I wanted to show you. This is by Edit. I got it on Shopbop. By the way, this is not a Shopbop sponsored post. I just love it there. And I thought it would be really cute with jean shorts like for dinner, especially when it's a little bit cooler. This fabric is heavier, so very European sleeves. And I just really like the red color. I think it looks good with the lighter jeans. It'll look really good with a tan too. I'm also going to be bringing this linen shirt from Aritzia. It's from Community, and it's pretty long, covers my butt, and I'm basically going to use it as a cover up for the beach. I've done this many times before, and it's just super comfy. You can unbutton it really low, or you can button it all the way up, and it's the perfect beach cover up. And because it's linen, it can kind of get a little bit wrinkly and still look totally fine. So I pretty much bring this on every vacation. You can also tuck it in to your pants or your jean shorts and wear it as a top. So I'm bringing 2 pairs of shorts, those a Goldie jean shorts, and then these Aritzia cotton shorts. And I've paired it with this mega crop top from Edit, which is cotton. It's kind of like a one shoulder thing. Make sure if you're gonna wear something this cropped that you don't have your belly button showing. I think it's just too much. You want something like pretty high-waisted. So yeah, really comfy. These have pockets, they have a belt, which is like a little bit crooked, but I love these Aritzia shorts. I've been wearing them all summer. Okay, this is the last top I'm gonna show you. I just wanted to show you this silk Cinca set top. It's really light. The natural fiber will be really nice in the heat. It's got detailing right here, and it's just perfect to wear with jean shorts. I also forgot to mention that I'm going to be bringing a sweater. This is a really comfortable cropped gray sweater from Aritzia, and it just works well with shorts and jeans, and it'll work over a few dresses as well. And I'll wear this on the plane too. And I'm not bringing a hat because I'm gonna buy one there. Apparently they have really good kind of markets in Athens, so I'm gonna check that out. Well, I'm also gonna be taking a pair of pants. I haven't really decided yet if I'm gonna take jeans or more like jogger pants. I'm gonna wear them on the plane and then just have them in case I need them. So we've got the 3 bags, 5 shirts, 5 dresses, 2 pairs of shorts. I haven't decided if I'm going to take these 2 tank tops yet. Here are the other 2 bags, and then obviously 1 pair of pants. We've got 4 pairs of shoes, all flat, and then these are some accessories that I'm bringing. So I'm bringing 3 swimsuits. These 2 are Miko, they're bandeau, and this is solid and striped. Just a reminder, I will link everything on the blog. I'm bringing 3 pairs of statement earrings because I can't really see myself doing my hair this trip, so I'll just put it in a low ponytail and wear these earrings. These are Lulu Sadugi, and these 2 are Kuchara. 3 pairs of sunglasses. These are Aldo, these are Ray-Ban, and these are my Celine's. And this is actually all I'm bringing for makeup. Obviously, sunscreen. This is Dermalogica. I'm bringing a powder foundation, Tom Ford bronzer, this Tom Ford stick, which is probably all I'm going to be using. It's got blush on one side and a highlighter on the other. Concealer. This is Milk Makeup. I'm bringing 2 mascaras. This is NYX's Worth the Hype. It's a really good voluminous mascara, and Hourglass Caution mascara for my bottom lashes, but I can't really see myself wearing mascara that much. Clear brow gel from Anastasia. And then just in case, I'm bringing this Nude Sticks matte eye coloring taupe just in case I want to do like a really quick smoky eye. And that's it. literally that's it. This video was much requested by you guys when you found out that I was going to Greece. I am so excited, by the way. I've never been to Greece. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. We're going to Athens for a few days. We're going to Crete, Santorini, and Naxos, and then home. I really hope that this was helpful. I really try and travel carry on nowadays, especially when going on vacation. It's just so much easier to get around. You really don't use everything anyway. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already and you want to. I have lots of videos coming, lots of fall hauls that are out, lots of fall winter hauls that are coming, and I will have a video on this makeup in case you're interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.